Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Geography 361 Lab 6. So now let's go to the last question, question 5. In this question, we will not do any calculation, but this question gives us a chance to think about and summarize what we learned in these last 2 or 3 weeks. The question is asking the question is asking us to list the parametric and non-parametric statistical tests as pairs that can answer the same question. So what the method we learn are the Mann-Whitney method, Mann-Whitney test, and the Wilcoxon test. In the lecture, we can obviously see the Mann-Whitney test is corresponding to the unpaired t-test, and the Wilcoxon test is corresponding to the paired t-test. I think you already know what is the paired test and the unpaired test difference. So what are the meaning of these two one? So let's go to the previous lecture in the, I think that is the hypothesis testing slides, and in the slide 31. No, 32 here in this slide. So we can see, so what we have learned in the last week is z-test, t-test, unpaired t-test, and paired t-test. Actually, the paired t-test and the unpaired t-test has one common point. They are comparing two samples. So we can also say the method, the non-parametric test we learn in this week can compare two samples, can compare the difference between two samples. So we also learn the z-test and the t-test to compare one sample and the population. Could we use our non-parametric to this situation? Actually, yes. If you want to compare one sample to the population based on the non-Gaussian distribution data, so we can just use the analyze and the non-parametric test. One sample here, so I just randomly drag one data here, and using the customize analyze. And in the setting part, we can customize our test. You can see here there is the one method called the Wilcoxon side ranking, Wilcoxon side rank test. Using this method, you need to give one median value. Then your sample will be compared to this medium data. For this question, we can see the Mann-Whitney method is for the unpaired t-test, and Wilcoxon is for the paired t-test. And both of them are corresponding to the two sample t-test. Also, the Wilcoxon method can be corresponded to one sample t-test. So that is the one short summarization for the test method we learned in this week and the last week.